If you're wondering how to record a PayPal payment in Xero, you've come to the right place. This process is pretty straightforward, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure everything matches up with your PayPal account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it like a pro and streamline your accounting. Now, before we dive in, remember that Xero is an excellent tool for businesses looking to manage their finances, and the good news is that you can start using it for free by clicking the link below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses that'll make the whole setup even easier. Stick around until the end to find out how you can grab your extended free trial. Alright, let's get into it. When you're ready to record a PayPal payment in Xero, the first thing you need to do is connect your PayPal account to Xero. You can do this by heading over to your Xero dashboard, then go to Accounting and click on Bank Accounts. From there, choose Add Bank Account and select PayPal from the list of options. This will allow you to import your PayPal transactions directly into Xero, saving you tons of time. Once your PayPal account is connected, the next step is to record the payment. You'll want to navigate to the PayPal bank account you just set up in Xero. You'll see a list of transactions from PayPal right there. To record a payment, simply click on the relevant transaction that corresponds to the payment you received. Now click on Create to start entering the details. You'll need to match the payment to the appropriate account, whether it's income or another relevant category. For example, if it's a payment for services rendered, make sure to categorize it as income. Make sure the date, the amount, and any reference info match your PayPal records. This step is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and ensuring your reports are up to date. Another thing to remember is that PayPal fees will sometimes apply to your payments. When you record a payment, be sure to account for any PayPal fees by creating a separate line item for the fee deduction. This ensures your books are accurate and reflects the actual amount you received. Now, once everything looks good, you can hit Save, and your payment is successfully recorded. Xero will automatically reconcile the payment with your PayPal account, making it easy to keep track of your transactions. Plus, this is all synced up, so you don't have to worry about manual updates. It's super convenient and helps keep everything streamlined. As we wrap up, don't forget that Xero has many other powerful features that you'll want to explore to manage your business finances more effectively. From invoicing to payroll, it has you covered. And by using the link in the description, you can get started with Xero for free and take advantage of some amazing bonuses we've secured for you. To make sure you get the most out of your time with Xero, remember that we've unlocked an extended free trial just for you. So why wait? Head over to the link below and start using Xero today.